Every hotel of stature has stories from its past, stories that endure, and stories that sometimes drive fear into the hearts of their guests and staff. As a historian, I feel compelled to tell you, Sam was a real employee of the hotel, a beloved bellman who passed away in the 1970s. I dug through the hotel archives and found some photos of the staff. He would pass away shortly after they took this photo. After his death, the love of Sam endured. Staff and guests, still to this day, sometimes describing a seemingly good-natured ghost that still haunts the hallways. He's not there to instill fear, though. He's there almost as though he's still trying to help.
Any hotel as grand and storied as this comes with its own baggage. In this case, the baggage revolves around a bellman, which seems pretty suiting.
Since Sam's death decades ago, there have been countless instances of unexplained phenomena. Guests have described a kind man who brought their luggage to their rooms when no bellman was on duty. Other times, new staff was helped by an older staff member when no one else was on shift.
What I can tell you, though, is Sam the bellman was real, and he died in the 1970s. Many say he was the best of the hotel, and many also say he still is. Of all the ghosts and hauntings that I'm sent to investigate, I have to tell you, a ghost that helps you with your luggage is easily one of the best kinds.